Spill for Sparky channel, and Milwaukee has come out with yet another addition to their PACKOUT line. This one is called the PACKOUT Deep Organizer. And the reason it's called a deep organizer is that it's 7 inches deep. It's also 15 inches long and 19.7 inches wide. And it weighs 2 pounds. So it might be something that you'd be interested in. Inside, you can put a lot of different items. Let's open up mine and see what I got in there. And see, I have it set up so it has 4 compartments. Now, there are dividers that can go here and here and here and here. So you can have 4 smaller compartments and 4 larger compartments, or you can have just 2 compartments, one going this way and one going this way, because these come out too. These dividers here, they come out if you like. But I was set up with 2 smaller compartments and 2 larger compartments. And this one here, I have an Empire laser level in it. Now, in its case, you should always transport your lasers in their case. So there we go, that's a laser level. Put that right here. Then in this compartment, I have, look at that, step bits. I have a set of Milwaukee step bits. And then I've got the new Milwaukee reamer right here. Ream out your conduit. And I have a Milwaukee knife and a Milwaukee razor knife. And then this is a ratcheting screwdriver. Okay? And then right here we have the Milwaukee linesman pliers. And this right here is a set of impact ready bits, just a variety of bits, always handy to have. And this is a 2 1/8 inch hole dozer by Milwaukee. And here's a Milwaukee tape, gloves. Okay, this is a set of auger bits. I have a well-used Milwaukee impact driver right here. Let me show you. Oh, here's a little thing that shows you all the different components you can buy. See, there's a stack. You can just put this right on top with everything else. The bottom here has the clips that go on the PACKOUT system, and then the top has the clips also. So here's my PACKOUT first aid kit, and it just clicks on just like that. So you pull this up right here to release it, and it comes off. And then you, hopefully you don't have to use your first aid kit, but it snaps right on top of this deep PACKOUT box, and like that. See, so now you got 8 different compartments. So you could take out the middle ones if you wanted. You can do it that way. You could have a couple small ones, a nice big one, and one like that. So however you want to do it. So this box is rated for 50 pounds, and because it has the rubber gasket all the way around, it's IP65 rated, and it has a lifetime warranty. So there you go, the new Milwaukee Deep Organizer PACKOUT box. This box is about $65, and I'll put a link for it in my video description. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.